Discipline is the key to success, but building discipline doesn't mean pushing yourself to the point of burnout. Burnout makes you tired, frustrated, and less productive. So how do you build discipline without burning out? Here are some simple steps to follow. First, start small. Discipline is like a muscle. It gets stronger when you train it regularly, but if you start with too much, you risk injury. Choose one small habit to work on each day. For example, if you want to get fit, start with just 5 minutes of exercise daily. This is easier to keep up, and small wins build confidence. Second, set clear and realistic goals. When your goals are too big or vague, it becomes hard to stay motivated. Break your goals into smaller tasks. Instead of saying, "I want to write a book," say, "I will write 200 words every day." This keeps you focused and reduces overwhelm. Third, plan your time wisely. Make a schedule and stick to it, but also allow breaks. Working nonstop can lead to burnout quickly. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This helps maintain energy and focus throughout the day. Fourth, listen to your body and mind. If you feel tired or stressed, it's okay to slow down or take a rest day. Discipline is about consistency over time, not perfection every day. Taking care of yourself helps you avoid burnout and keeps you on track longer. Fifth, build positive habits around discipline. Create routines that make discipline easier. For example, prepare your workspace before starting work or set reminders for your tasks. The less you have to rely on willpower alone, the better. Sixth, celebrate your progress. Recognize and reward yourself for sticking to your discipline. This could be as simple as a small treat or a break to do something you enjoy. Positive reinforcement helps keep your motivation high. Finally, be patient. Building discipline takes time. You will face setbacks, and that's normal. Don't get discouraged. Keep going, adjust when needed, and remember why you started. Discipline without burnout is possible. Start small, plan well, listen to yourself, and be kind in the process. This way, discipline becomes a habit that supports your goals, not something that drains you.